Hi everyone, this is Shubha from Pratishthan Learning Center. I am the biology teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today we will talk about class ninth biology chapter, that is classification of living organisms. To begin with, first of all we'll try to understand what is biodiversity in this lesson. Biodiversity comes from two words, that is bio and diversity. Bio meaning life and diversity meaning variability. So biodiversity refers to various life forms around us. Biodiversity has three levels, that is ecosystem, species and genes. Ecosystem refers to various land forms, aquatic forms around us. That is, there are various living organisms on the land as well as in water and also few in the air. So there is diversity in the ecosystem among land, water and air where various living organisms are living. Second level of biodiversity is species. Species refers to all the living organisms around us in their lifespan produce the same kind of their offsprings. That becomes a species. For example, dogs produce puppies, cats produce kittens, humans produce human babies. So there is so much of diversity in the species around us. Next level is genes. Genes refers to our body is made out of cells, and our cells central part is nucleus. This nucleus contains chromosomes and chromosomes has genes, and these genes function for transferring the hereditary characters from our parents to the offsprings. So we are all belonging to different genes and we follow a family genes. That's a genetic diversity. Let us see what do we mean by classification. Classification of living organisms refers to grouping of the organisms according to their similarity and differences. All of us have some things in similar and some differences among them. So classification is done in science according to that. This classification contains three domains. Those are known as archaebacteria, eubacteria and eukarya. So the classification is done according to these levels. The domains are archaebacteria are the ones, they are thermophilic or heat loving bacteria which lives in very high temperature. Eubacteria are single celled organisms and they do not have well developed nucleus. Eukarya are the other organisms all the well developed nucleus in their cells. These are the three domains of classification. According to the three domains of classification, all the living organisms in biology are classified under various kingdoms, and there are 5 kingdoms of life. Kingdom 1 refers to Monera, Kingdom 2 Protista, Kingdom 3 Fungi, Kingdom 4 Plantae and Kingdom 5 Animalia. As we can see in the picture, let us study the characteristics of each one. Kingdom Monera, that is the first kingdom, contains single-celled, not well-formed nucleus which are known as prokaryotes, and there are bacteria belongs to this kingdom. Kingdom Protista has single-celled with well-formed nucleus. Those are known as eukaryotes as we studied just now. And an example is amoeba which belongs to protozoa. Kingdom Fungi is full of eukaryotes what we studied just now, and they are multicellular and they are also known as saprophytes. Saprophytes are the ones who live on the dead and decaying organisms. For example, mushrooms. Next kingdom Plantae contains organisms which are eukaryotes, multicellular, that is they are having a true nucleus, The cell is made out of many cells and they are autotrophs. Autotrophs meaning they prepare the food on their own in their body by photosynthesis. So the plants are included in this kingdom. The fifth kingdom is Animalia. The characteristics of these kingdom belongs to eukaryotes. They are multicellular and heterotrophs. Eukaryotes, which are having true nucleus, multicellular, they are made out of many cells, and heterotrophs is they depend on others for their food. So these are the five kingdoms of classification. Students, I hope you like this video. We will talk about the further classification of these kingdoms into various other aspects in the next video. Thank you.